In this world full of competition and comparison, we are often used to measuring our own value by external standards, but as a result, we often feel uneasy and frustrated. However, have you ever thought about it? True happiness does not come from the recognition of the outside world, but from the deep acceptance and love for yourself in your heart. Solve the inner entanglement, and find your own way of spiritual stability. It is a deep self-understanding to accept that you are not perfect. The root of suffering often comes from the persistence and resistance to oneself. When trying to perfect or change some unchangeable facts, the inner pain is like a shadow. You need to look at yourself with compassion, including the shortcomings we think. Through introduction and meditation, you can gradually see your original light. Everyone has wisdom and compassion like the bright moon in their hearts. As long as they open the clouds, the real beauty can be reflected. When you stop criticize yourself and learn to accept yourself, you can release your inner pressure and regain peace and joy. Self-acceptance is the first step towards inner peace and true freedom. The object of compassion is not only others but also ourselves. When you are willing to look at yourself with love and care, you will gradually have an unconditional self-love in your heart. This kind of love is not based on achievements or external conditions, but pure acceptance and cherishment. Do you often have the idea of self-denial in the face of setbacks and failures? Every moment of life is an opportunity for practice. Because of this, we have the opportunity to learn from mistakes and grow from pain. When you feel pain or lost, you might as well ask yourself, am I too harsh on myself? Am I willing to give myself more time and space to feel the existence of love and hope? Loving yourself is the most important practice in life and the way to happiness. Comparison is often the root of self-denial. When we build our own value on the standards or achievements of others, it is easy to feel jealousy, uneasiness, and frustration in our hearts. However, everyone's life has its own unique trajectory and meaning, and there is no need to compare with others. When you stop and observe yourself quietly, you will find that inner peace does not come from how much you have, but from cherishing and gratitude for what you have. Try to practice being grateful for everything you have every day, a healthy body, learning opportunities, and even past setbacks, because these are shaping a stronger you. Only by letting go of the shackles of comparison can we have real freedom and face the challenges in life with a more calm mind. If you put down the comparison, you can see the unique light in your life. Pain is a part of life and an opportunity for growth. Suffering is not the end, but a road to wisdom and relief. When we stop avoiding pain and choose to face it, we will find that it is a nutrient that promotes our growth. In every low tide, try to ask yourself, what does this pain teach me? Is it reminding me to let go of my obsession or change my lifestyle that is no longer suitable for me? If you can look at pain with wisdom and compassion, you will have a kind of peace and strength in your heart, surpassing the current difficulties and facing a better future.